So I went out to this place, Cuddles Cat Lounge, and upon getting there and talking to the owner, I was doing some questions, but during editing, I realized that there was background music playing, and I'm unable to use all that footage because I'm not able to filter it out. Not only that, but also in the middle of filming, we also had people come into the store, and I didn't ask their permission if I could have them included into the video. So to try to keep things professional, I also cut that out. So this is what's left of it, but the message is still there. There's still a lot of questions answered, and there's some awesome B-roll footage of the cats playing. So hope you enjoy.
Oh man, this blue, this backlight, so forth. Anyway, so getting down here, getting the last little bit of stuff ready. We were asked to help out a local company set up their live streaming stuff, and apologize about the voice. Been awake for maybe 15 minutes, getting ready, trying to scurry through, make sure I have everything. But yeah, we did some graphics and panels for them. Then we're going to drive up there and deliver that, get the stuff set up, and then over on my Twitch, we are going to actually be live streaming from there. So kind of two-part things, but super busy day. But I'm excited for it. But anyways, you got the watch and everything else. I got the USB. I think I have everything I need. The other gear that I said that I was going to bring, but fingers crossed everything goes well, and yeah, let's get this day started. All right, well, we got the everything we need loaded up: tripod camera, this guy, this car. Trip's about roughly an hour, so we get there, I'll introduce you to the owner and to all the little friends. Yeah. Anyways, well, we'll see you there. All right, so just got here. I've got to grab all the gear out and everything else, but we are here. We are here, and well, you know what? Let's just get out. I'll show you. Oh, look, I can't one-handed. That's off. Okay. Anyways, yeah, let's go. Ooh, that lighting is not the greatest.
Welcome to Cuddles Cat Lounge.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey.
I'll shake hands, but you know, COVID.
COVID. for sure.
So yeah, tell me about this place.
So we are a cat lounge. We're based out of American Fork, Utah. All of the cats here have come from either local rescues or our local shelters. We get them all and we care for them. People can come, they pay an admission fee to get in. You play with them and hopefully they get adopted. So we've had 6 adoptions so far. We've been open for about a week and a half almost.
Very
So
nice.
yeah,
Uh-oh.
cat fight. For the most part they get along, but sometimes.
Awesome. We'll give a quick little tour and
Yeah, sure. So most of the stuff here is just for the cats. So we have seating for guests, so you can sit down. A lot of the cats will jump on your lap if you sit down. All of these bins here, or I guess they're benches, they all have litter boxes in them, and then sometimes the cats will hang out in there. And then, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. We got restrooms, and then this is where all of the litter boxes go, so customers don't see it. But yeah.
Oh, looks like you got a little cat door down there too.
Yep, we got a cat door, and then the cats can also go in through the stuff on the wall. And then in the storage room, we have stuff to get them up and over as well.
awesome.
So yeah.
So what got you started on this?
Mostly because Utah has a really high kill rate in our shelters. We euthanize a lot of pets because they aren't adopted. So this is kind of their second chance. Instead of getting euthanized, they can come here, they can live their lives. It's a really good environment for them because they get to do whatever they want. This is their house. They get lots of attention, which they love. They're not locked up in cages. We don't lock them up at night. They do whatever they want. So, and they love when people come and play with them.